heaven unfolds in boundless radiance, a symphony of light and ethereal beauty. Celestial beings shimmer in the eternal dawn, their forms glowing with divine energy. At the forefront, Satan, the brightest of angels, guides a legion in harmonious praise. His presence commands attention, his light a beacon in the celestial choir. In this moment, heaven knows only unity and adoration, a perfect order soon to be shattered. Under a suffocating sky, a lake of fire writhes and stretches into the abyss. Satan and Beelzebub lie broken upon the scalding shore, their once radiant forms now marred by the inferno. Scars crisscross their angelic bodies, a testament to their catastrophic fall. The desolate landscape mirrors their inner torment, a reflection of lost grace and eternal despair. Each ripple of the fiery lake whispers tales of rebellion and divine wrath. Even in defeat, a flicker of defiance remains in their eyes, burning brighter than the hellfire around them. In the heart of hell, Satan ascends from his obsidian throne, his eyes blazing with defiance as infernal flames dance in their depths. Though scarred by defeat, his face remains a testament to unyielding pride and unwavering resolve. Beelzebub watches, his expression a tumultuous blend of awe and trepidation as he beholds his master. Satan's voice echoes through the abyss, a declaration of indomitable will. The mind is its own place, and in itself can make a heaven of hell, a hell of heaven. Satan and Beelzebub emerge from the lake of fire, their forms struggling against the oppressive weight of hell. They survey the desolate landscape, a panorama of spiritual despair stretching before them. Flickering flames dance across the terrain, casting long, distorted shadows that writhe like tormented souls. The darkness visible permeates the scene, a tangible manifestation of eternal suffering. Across the desolate plains of hell, Satan's commanding voice reverberates, cutting through the oppressive heat. His call to arms echoes across the fiery landscape, a rallying cry to his scattered legions. Fallen angels stir amidst the flames, their forms rising slowly, answering their dark lord's summons. The camera sweeps across the vast expanse, revealing the sheer number of the defeated, yet still formidable army. A sea of shadowed figures begins to coalesce, a testament to Satan's enduring power and their unwavering loyalty. From the fiery abyss of hell, a legion of fallen angels emerges, their numbers stretching beyond comprehension. They ascend in terrifying waves, a dark tide sweeping across the infernal plains. With unnerving precision, they march, their dark shields reflecting the crimson glow of the underworld. Like a swarm of locusts, they descend, promising devastation and ruin in their wake. Their destructive force is palpable, a dark shadow spreading across the sky, signaling the rise of an unstoppable army. In the fiery depths of hell, tormented souls writhe in agony, their screams echoing through the infernal domain. Satan rises from his obsidian throne, a figure of terrifying majesty, shadows dancing across his face, revealing cruel intelligence. He gestures with a clawed hand, silencing the infernal hall, as every demon hangs upon his every word. His voice, a chilling resonance, echoes through the chamber. I have a plan, a way to wound him, not directly, but indirectly, through his precious creation. We will turn paradise into a wasteland, and in their despair, we shall find our triumph. Satan proclaims, his eyes burning with dark ambition. In the sulphurous wastes of hell, the fallen angels, spurred by Satan's dark vision, begin a Herculean undertaking. With feverish zeal, demons delve into the scorched earth, unearthing molten metal from the fiery soil. Under a sky choked with smoke, the raw materials are hammered and shaped, forged into the skeletal framework of a grand design. Pillars of obsidian rise from the desolate landscape, supporting arches that defy the very laws of heaven. Towers pierce the gloom, their silhouettes a stark challenge to the celestial architecture they seek to emulate. Pandemonium ascends with breathtaking speed, a perverse monument to ambition and defiance, its dark majesty a twisted reflection of divine glory. Within Pandemonium, fallen angels coalesce from swirling smoke, their ethereal forms solidifying in the dim light. A dark magic ripples outwards as they compress their massive forms, shrinking to a scale that can gather within the hall. The transformation is grotesque, a mockery of celestial gatherings filled with a palpable tension. Suppressed power crackles in the air, visible as heat waves and sparks, underscoring the unease. The vast chamber holds its breath, every corner gripped by anticipation as the council is about to begin. Silence descends, heavy and expectant, promising the storm that is sure to follow. In the heart of Pandemonium, Satan sits enthroned upon jagged obsidian, a cruel monarch amidst a legion of grotesque fallen angels. The vast hall echoes with the murmurs of anticipation as his followers await his command. His face, a canvas of cruel beauty, is set in a mask of determination and pride, hinting at the epic conflict to come. His eyes, twin pools of molten gold, reflect the burning ambition that consumes him. A silent promise of epic conflict hangs in the air as he prepares to unleash his dark will upon the heavens.